Tips to stay healthy when working night shifts. The night shift, or third shift work is a big part of many industries. There are many challenges that face those who work the night shift. The body's normal rhythm is to sleep at night and remain active throughout the day, so doing the exact opposite can cause stress and various potential health problems. That's the bad news. The good news is that with some adjustments to your habits, such as those outlined here, you can minimize these potential side effects and remain healthy, able to work well, and able to enjoy your days off too. Here are health tips to help get you through that night shift. Tip 1. Have energy when you need it by eating right. One of the biggest issues night shift workers face is a lack of energy, or energy at the wrong times. Some night shift workers find it hard to stay awake at work, especially when performing sedentary jobs. They may also find that when they get home after the graveyard shift, their minds and bodies can't shut down to rest. While some may use various over-the-counter remedies and aids to regulate their energy patterns, there are ways to address this issue without medication. One way to establish regular energy and sleep patterns is to maintain a regular schedule of healthy eating habits. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is relative. You can reset your normal sleep cycles by regularly repeating a series of healthy habits, helping your body to realize when it is time to wake and when it is time to rest, even if the sun doesn't agree. Eating healthy meals at a set time each day can help your body regulate. Your breakfast time may be 9 p.m., with lunch at 4 a.m. and dinner at 8 a.m., for example. Having a regular rhythm of healthy, non-sugary meals that include lots of protein can help keep you going strong through the night. Healthy, intermittent snacks also provide a natural energy boost. Tip 2. Regulate your schedule with exercise. We all know that getting enough sleep is essential to our health, but it can be especially challenging for night shift workers. This tip may seem counterintuitive, but exercising in the morning, after your shift ends, can really help your body realize it is time to rest. The best exercise will likely be something very active, like running, spinning, or kickboxing. This is not the time for yoga or meditation. The burst of energy you will start to get during each exercise session will carry you through the routine and you will be ready for sleep after your workout.